Oh my god, this is exactly what I need. Just this. I don't need 50 of them. Can I just get one? I need a right angle piece like this. It's so funny, it's literally what I need. Gosh. Well, I guess I could just bend my own. No, look at this. Intake hose? I mean, you could use this for an intake hose, actually. Yeah, there's so many parts at Home Depot that you can use for your car or car builds. It's actually kind of funny. I used to come here when I was younger and didn't have a lot of money, and I used to use stuff like this. So I'm gonna make a little heat shield for my sight glass right here. That's just like my coolant reservoir. It's a little bit too close to the header or the exhaust manifold, so I'm just gonna give it extra protection at Home Depot for the win. So I'm just gonna make a little wall like this and then do a 90-degree little bracket right here. So I need to go over like an inch. This is so simple. I've done so many friggin' patterns and all that stuff that this is almost like automatic for me. So we're gonna bend this way, and then this one's gonna bend the other way. Okay, here's what we're gonna use. You got 2 pieces of wood, and then we're just gonna put this in the middle. Okay, line up where we need the line to be bent. This is just a wood clamp, by the way, if you guys are curious where I got this. Home Depot. And then we'll just kind of bend it by smashing it on the ground. I know, very high tech. This should work. Okay, this is just tin, by the way, so it's not really that strong, but you don't need it to be ridiculously strong because this is just like a little heat shield. Now we're gonna put the gold foil over it. Huh, voila, look at that. So it goes in like so, see that? And then we're gonna bend it at the 2-inch mark right here. If you're curious how we're gonna cut this, we're just gonna use tin snips. These are actually pretty decent. So we're just gonna cut this right here, and then we can always clean up the serration marks after. Voila. Got our last bend right here to give this thing some strength. Oh my gosh, this thing is so easy to bend. It's kind of crazy, actually. Nice. Yeah. See, now it's not floppy anymore. It's nice and strong, and it's got rigidity. Here's a final install. Drop this in here. Washer. And then a 12-point bolt to match. Titanium bolt, by the way. Pop this on here. Good enough. Nice.